Hi, my name is Jennifer Modica, and I'm an embryologist at Ovation Fertility in Carmel, Indiana. My abstract for ASRM was titled The Effect of Delayed Maturation in Oocytes After Retrieval on Embryo Potential. So the purpose of this study was to determine if the delayed maturation of oocytes between the time of retrieval and ICSI affected subsequent embryo development. So 422 IVF cycles were included, and oocyte maturation was initially assessed after cumulus cell removal and then reassessed again at the time of ICSI, and all of this was on the same day of the retrieval. A p-value of less than 0.05 was defined as statistically significant with a 95% confidence interval. So 130 cycles were described as delayed maturation cycles, so they had at least one oocyte that matured from the M1 stage at denuding to the M2 stage by the time of ICSI. The remaining 292 cycles did not have any delayed maturation. So the average patient age, BMI, and all these timings between maturation assessments were not significantly different between these two groups, but there was a significant difference between AMH and the average number of oocytes retrieved. We also saw that there was significantly lower fertilization rate overall in the delayed maturation group. It was 75% versus 82%, and they also had higher post-ICSI atretic rates. These cycles still went on to have a similar blastocyst and euploidy comparisons compared to the no delay cycles, though. Now, the cycles with delayed maturation were then further broken down to compare fertilization and embryo development between the M2 and M1 oocytes with delayed maturation. And most importantly, the study showed us that oocytes with delayed maturation have significantly lower fertilization and blastocyst development compared to their sibling oocytes. And although these oocytes have this decreased embryo potential, they can still go on to create euploid blastocysts. So ultimately, we determined that it is beneficial for the patient to reevaluate oocyte maturation at ICSI in order to ultimately increase the number of embryos they have for transfer. Thank you.